On this terrific episode of The Practical Divorce Lawyer, I'm going to give you my short list of things that I think, as an experienced divorce lawyer, are the biggest causes of divorce and what you could do about it. Stay tuned. Everybody, in case you're new here, if you're new here, what are you, living under a rock? Where have you been? I'm about 320 episodes or more into The Practical Divorce Lawyer. But if you're new, welcome. I'm Jonathan Noble, divorce and family law attorney. And you might not like a lot of the things I say, but you should listen anyway, because I want to keep you out of my office. I want to keep you out of divorce court. In this terrific episode, what am I going to talk about? Some of the things that I see through the lens of an experienced divorce lawyer that cause divorce. So if you're dating someone or you're engaged to them and you're thinking about marrying them and you see some of these things, call off the wedding, or at least go to therapy and make sure that you're making the right decision, because I want to keep you out of divorce court. I want to keep you out of the misery of marrying someone that's going to mistreat you. And I want you to live your best life. So without further ado, number one thing, best predictor, in my opinion, of divorce, it's not money. It's disrespect and contempt for your partner. Someone who belittles you, puts you down, finds fault in almost everything that you do. There's going to come a time where no matter what, you just can't take it anymore. You are beaten into the ground. Anytime I see anything that resembles what I just described, it never ends well. The person who does the beating is troubled. You don't want to hang around with someone like that. I don't care if you feel like you have no other options. It's better to remain single and find someone else who will love and appreciate you than to be with someone who's going to disrespect you. There's no way around it. Being disrespected will never end well, never. And you don't want to get married to someone like that. Somebody talks down to you, calls your name, insults you, insults your family or your upbringing or anything else to do with your background or history or things that are out of your control, do not marry. It's not going to end well. There'll be a bear to divorce, too. Someone who's never thankful or grateful. They have a sense of entitlement. Do not marry. I don't care if you're the world's greatest provider. Their cup will never be full. I've seen it happen hundreds of times where someone's a great provider, great spouse, great husband, and the wife just is a miserable human being. Do not marry. I just saved you a ton of heartache and tens of thousands of dollars in legal fees that you're not going to have to pay if you don't marry them. All right? So those are two big ones. I'm going to make another video or two about some other things I see, but those are the two of the greatest hits. If you're being belittled and not treated well, they're not grateful to be in the relationship with you, get out. Somebody else out there better for you. Share this with somebody walking around who is getting beaten into the ground but will not leave. Let them know, I'm telling you, it's not going to get better. Be careful out there. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely share this. I want to try to keep the person out of divorce court and live their best life.